In a world that never stops talking, where everyone is showing off, where noise is mistaken for success, there is a rare kind of strength, the power of silence. Because real power does not shout, real power does not need attention, real power shows up quietly and leaves a mark so deep it speaks for generations. Welcome to Listen World. Today we invite you into a mindset that few ever mastered. The mindset of those who win in silence. Let your success make the noise. Chapter 1. The lie you have been told. You were told speak up, make some noise, show the world who you are. But no one told you the truth that the real game is played in the dark, behind closed door when no one is watching. The loud ones are often the most lost, the show offs, often the weakest because they seek something outside validation, approval, applause. But you don't need noise, you need vision, you need discipline, you need work done in silence. Chapter 2. The Silent Worker's Power. You wake up before the world, you grind in the dark, you dream big but you don't talk about it. You know the rule: never announce the next move, build it, protect it, launch it when it's ready to fly. Because when lions hunt, they don't roar, they crouch, they wait, they strike silently, powerfully. Chapter 3. The Pain of Silence. Yes, it's hard. Silence feels lonely. It feels like no one sees you. No one claps, no one supports it, no one believes. But that's where you become dangerous. That's where you become unstoppable because pain becomes fuel. Loneliness becomes the focus. Doubt becomes drive. And guess what? The more they doubt you, the harder you train. The more they ignore you, the deeper you go. The more they talk, the more silent you become. Not because you are weak, but because you are building something they cannot see yet. Chapter 4. Your result will speak. You don't need to convince anyone. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to post, prove, or shout. You just need to deliver. Let your results scream so loud. They silence every hater, every critic, every person who thought you would not make it. Because in the end, success is the loudest voice. Chapter 5. Focus is a superpower. When you choose silence, you choose focus. And when you focus, everything changes. Your energy stops leaking. Your time becomes scared. Your dreams become clearer. Your progress becomes real. You don't chase attention. You chase growth. You chase purpose. You chase legacy. Discipline becomes your language. Routines become your power. And success, it becomes inevitable. Chapter 6. The people who win in silence. Think about them. The ones who disappeared for a while and come back unstoppable. They were silent, but they were working while others were partying. They were planning while others were bragging. They were building while others were scrolling. They were sharpening. They did not speak, they did not show off, they did not explain. They just showed up later as a storm. Be like them. Chapter 7. Haters cannot hurt the silent. Let them talk, let them judge, let them laugh. While they waste time, you invest time. While they throw shade, you plant seeds because silence is your shield. No one can attack what they cannot see, and your silence, it keeps your goals safe. One day, the same people who doubt you will say, I always believed in you. That how it works. Chapter 8, Your Inner Circle. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Silence teach you to choose your circle wisely. Be around people who speak less and do more. People who don't gossip, don't complain, and don't flex. Winners talk strategy, not people. Winners protect their peace, not chase popularity. Winners understand you don't have to be seen to be successful. In fact, the most successful people are the ones you don't see until they are already on top. Chapter 9, How to Win in Silence. Practical step. Wake up before the noise. Morning silence builds power. Create a vision no one else sees. And don't share it until it's real. Block distractions. Social media won't build your future, your grind will. Track your progress quietly. No updates, no announcements, just momentum. Celebrate in private. Every win does not need applause. Your growth is the reward. Speak only when it's unvaluable. Your words should carry weight, not noise. Chapter 10, When the world finally notice. One day your silence will be broken by applause, by headlines, by results so massive they cannot be ignored. But you won't need to say, I told you so. You won't need to prove anything because your life will speak for itself. It's my final words. You were never weak, you were just quiet. You were never behind, you were just building. You were never lost, you were just focused. And now the world will feel your presence. Not because you shouted, but because you worked, because you ground, because you stayed silent and become a storm. Win in silence. Subscribe to Listen Word for more motivation that speak to your soul.